Today I share with you how to make Nigeria catfish pepper soup in professional way from scratch. Hello sweetie, welcome back. To begin, we are going to be needing our catfish. So I'm making use of catfish. All I do is to add in lemon. Using catfish to cook your pepper soup, first of all, you have to wash that with lemon and hot water. Over here, I'm going to add in hot water and let that to get rest for 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, I have to take my spoon and get rid of this dirty. You can see the dirty that I'm bringing out. So I have to wash all the fish until it's clean and nice to use, just like this. After washing, I will have something like this. So at this point, the fish has washed and is ready to use. So what I do now is to transfer the fish inside a cooking pot. One thing again you have to do when cooking your pepper soup and making use of fish, make use of a bigger pot so that your fish is not going to scatter during the cooking process. So make use of a large pot. After adding all the fish, what I have: hot pepper, onion, scent leaf, coriander and crayfish. Then I go blend together. After blending just like this, just use your food processor to process this like this. So all I do now is to get that transfer inside the fish like this, just like that. So after doing that, I'll be adding water. So this is the water that I used to raise the cup. I'll just pour that in. So what I add now is black pepper. So this is black pepper. Then add in Maggi seasoning. I make use of 2 tablespoons. Then after adding that, I add in fish seasoning. So I add in ginger garlic paste. Then what I add next is pepper soup spices. This contain everything you need to make your pepper soup. So it contains a lot of spices. So that is from Odogo Food. So don't forget to get yours. She's open for you. So everywhere you are, you can easily get your order. So after adding this pepper soup spices, you don't need any other pepper soup spices to get your pepper soup done. It's going to give you 100% scent and taste. All I do now is to add in salt, then cover that to cook for 80%. After cooking that for 80%, this is what I have. So what I add now is hot pepper. Then after adding the hot pepper, then I will be adding the remaining scent leaf. So this is the scent leaf. I'm not going to grind this or slice it, just like that. I'll just add that on top. Then give that stir together and cover this to cook for 100%, and it's ready to enjoy. After cooking that for 50 minutes, look at our pepper soup now. At this point, pepper soup done. It done so amazing. It cooks so 100%. Yeah, guys, I just love every bit of this pepper soup. I just love how it cook. This is my reason why of telling you guys, making anything fresh fish, so use a bigger pot. You can see the fish cook so nice, and the same time it did not scatter. So that is why I use a white pot. So now I'm just going to serve that for us to enjoy. Le good day fish now. This fish is fishing. So all I do now is to collect that a little of stock, that is pepper soup water. I enjoy. So I'm going to enjoy that with white rice. So what do you normally use to enjoy your pepper soup? So this go well with rice. The same time you can use plantain or yam, but this one is just pepper soup and white rice, because this one now what you just need now. Share this video and follow this process to get your professional pepper soup done. You are going to love it. In my next one, oh yeah, bye.